Ever wondered how your cherished items journey from one part of the world to another, crossing vast oceans, traversing expansive landscapes, and soaring through the skies? Well, it's a journey that's as fascinating as it is complex, and it's one we've mastered. Welcome to an exploration of our unparalleled cargo service, a service that seamlessly blends convenience, reliability, and global reach. With us, your goods aren't just items in a shipping container. They're valued possessions, each with a story, each deserving of the utmost care and respect. Imagine having a team of experts dedicated to ensuring your goods, whether household items or commercial products, reach their destination in pristine condition. Now, stop imagining. That's the reality we offer, with our door-to-door delivery service. From the bustling markets of China, the glamorous shops of Dubai, to the vibrant streets of the United States, we transport your goods directly to you in Pakistan. Our service isn't limited to just one method of transportation. We employ multiple means, navigating the air, sea, and road, to ensure your goods arrive promptly and securely. Our international coverage is extensive, crossing borders and breaking barriers to bring you closer to the world. We don't just move cargo, we create connections, we bridge gaps, we deliver dreams. So, why wait? Embrace a service that values your cargo as much as you do. Trust us with your shipping needs, because when it comes to delivering your world to your doorstep, we are the experts. Your goods have a journey to make, and we're here to make sure it's a successful one. Choose us. Choose reliability, convenience, and global reach. Choose the best in cargo service.